Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and Judge Juan Merchan has had a mental breakdown during the Trump trial. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want to, for 99 cents a month, you can join us as a member by hitting that join button and get exclusive member videos every single week. So Judge Juan Merchan, before the jury began deliberating, he was furious, screaming, ranting like he's been doing. He wants to be a celebrity. I believe that 100%. Ranting about what Trump's attorneys said to the jury. And as Alan Dershowitz said, there was nothing wrong with what Trump said to this jury, or what Trump's attorneys, rather, said to this jury. So what did they say that caused him to lose his mind? Well, I'll tell you. They told him, are you really willing to send Donald Trump to jail, behind bars, on the words of Michael Cohen, on the flimsy evidence that was presented at this trial? So why did the judge take issue? Well, the judge says that's my decision of whether or not he goes to jail. The jury only decides guilty or not guilty. But the fact is, jail is one of the possibilities. So for them to say that is not outrageous at all. But this judge, every time he feels like he may have been slighted, and I think he's got the worst case of TDS, Trump derangement syndrome, that I've ever seen. If he feels slighted, even in the least, his massive ego takes over, and he lays waste to everybody around him. As far as I'm concerned, he's a disgrace to the judicial profession and to the law itself. This guy should be disbarred, take his robe taken from him, and he should be a spectator. He should be a cable news commenter. He should be a Democrat operative or an activist. But what he's not, in my opinion, is a judge. I think he's horrible. And I think, like I said, he should be disbarred. I want you to watch this video. Let me know what you think in the comments.
Donald Trump's criminal hush money trial says he will give jurors a curative instruction about a, quote, outrageous comment in defense attorney Todd Blanche's closing argument. The judge, Juan Merchan, not only called it highly inappropriate, but also said it was, quote, hard to imagine it was made in an accidental way. The key line from Blanche was when he said this, and let me quote, you cannot send someone to prison, you cannot convict somebody based upon the words of Michael Cohen, close quote. The prosecution said it was a blatant and inappropriate attempt to get sympathy for Trump. Joining me now, former Florida Judge Jeff Swartz. Judge, thanks so much for joining us. What did you make of that comment? Do you think it was appropriate?
I think that Blanche got kind of desperate towards the end. I think that he had to say something like that to make his client happy. But when your whole case is based upon attacking Michael Cohen and claiming that they can't convict, that's fine. You can say that. But juries don't put people in jail. They don't put them in prison. They're not supposed to consider the penalty. They're only supposed to consider one thing, whether someone is guilty or not guilty of the charges and whether the state has proven their case. And he crossed the line beyond where he was supposed to go.
The judge crossed the line. Just want to be precise. Is that what you're saying?
No. Blanche crossed the line when he says you can't put someone in prison.
But when the judge said it was highly inappropriate. Was it highly inappropriate?
It was highly inappropriate.
So you agree with the judge?
It could deserve sanctions. It could deserve sanctions.
Really? All right. We'll see what happens on that front. What do you think has